Welcome back to the channel. I'm AJ, and in this video we're going to go over how to import any model for 3D printing from Thingiverse into Unreal Engine 5. Alright, thanks for coming back, guys. I am going to start this video with a request that if these videos have been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to do this. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I really hope these videos are helping you out. I'm also going to start this video with a disclaimer that I'll put here, and the gist of it is, please don't implement these models into your games to sell without the express written consent of the authors of the models. And now that we have that out of the way, let's get started. Now, in order to do this, all we're going to need is Paint 3D, which is a free app you can get straight from the Microsoft App Store from your desktop, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm also going to show you how to export the files as the correct file type, and that will allow you to bring them into Unreal Engine 5. Now, one reason this is so cool is say you haven't finished modeling meshes for your gun, and you can just grab any gun model from Thingiverse and bring it right in as a placeholder. Also, if you check out my Thingiverse page, which I'll put the link to right here, you'll find the models that I created which allowed me to build my Ender 3 3D printer to 1,000 millimeters tall. Alright, that's enough of that, let's get started. To begin, find any STL file on Thingiverse. I'm going to choose a Benchy and download it, and then open the folder it's in and set that to the side. Now go to the search bar, type in Paint 3D, click on Apps, and then click on the first result. Let that open. Once it's open, click on Paint 3D and click on Download or Install, whatever it says for you. Let that download. Once it's done, click Open, click on New, go to Menu, and go to Browse Files. Now select the file that we downloaded from Thingiverse, click Open. Now you'll see we have our 3D model. Go ahead and go back to Menu, click on Save As, click 3D Model, and then make sure you save it as a .glb file. Press Save. Now you're going to want to open up a project that you already have created in Unreal Engine. Let Unreal open your project. Alright, now that we're in, we're going to want to go to File and click on Import into Level. Now we're going to want to select the file that we exported as a GLB file. I'm going to choose my Benchy. Now pick a location. Now this import context menu will pop up. All the default settings are just fine, but feel free to go through those. I'm just going to click import. And now your mesh is imported into your content browser. So now we can just find the static mesh. Go ahead and click and drag it out, and it's going to be huge. But we can just press R and make it the size that we want. And that's it. Now you have your Benchy in your project. Now one more quick thing. I'm just going to show how you can just drag and drop any of your materials right onto your Benchies, and they will become that material. Alright, that's it for this video. Once again, if you did like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps a ton. I do have another video about how to integrate ChatGPT into Unreal Engine 5, so I'll put that right up here, and I'll see you on the next one.